So hello everyone! Magandang araw! Yes! Char! Alright, so in this video, we will be doing microneedling using Banisher 2.0. I decided to do microneedling instead of TCA cross because I still have hyperpigmentation from my breakouts. But don't worry guys, I'll still be doing TCA cross maybe next week or after 2 weeks. Alright, so let's go back to the video. So this is how it looks like. So this is the Banisher 2.0 and this is a Derma stamp. So this is more safer compared to Derma roller if you guys familiar with Derma roller. And what I like about the Banisher 2.0, it has its own cap where you can put alcohol to disinfect the Derma stamp itself. Like what are you seeing in the video? Yeah, so I will disinfect first the Derma stamp for 5 minutes before using it. So that is based on the instruction. So while I'm disinfecting the Derma stamp, I read the instructions. And by the way guys, you need to use 70 to 90% isopropyl alcohol to disinfect the Derma stamp. And after disinfecting it for 5 minutes, let the Derma stamp air dry for 2 minutes. And before we start the microneedling, we need to wipe our skin with an alcohol and let it dry as well. So this is not new to me, so I have been doing it as well when performing TCA cross. So let's go ahead and then start with the microneedling using Banisher 2.0. Alright, so based on the instructions, I need to press the Derma stamp 3 to 5 times on each area. And then I need to lift the Derma stamp up before pressing it down again. So as you can see in the video, so I'm just doing it very carefully. So I'm just pressing it down and then lift it up and then pressing it down again. So I'm not just dabbing it or tapping it all over my face. So I'm doing it very carefully to avoid any further damage on my skin. And by the way guys, I'm pressing it 5 times on each area of my skin. Alright, so in this part, I just fast forward the video or adjusted the speed of the video for it to not be too long and for you guys to still watch the whole process. And also guys, I'm not really sure of the length and how many needles are there in the Banisher 2.0 since it doesn't contain any information about it. But I think, I'm not sure, the length of the needles of Banisher 2.0 is 0.25 millimeters since that is the safest length of needles if you will do a microneedling at home. But again, I am not really sure of the length and how many needles are there in the Banisher 2.0. And also what I like about the Banisher 2.0 is that it's not that painful, especially on the cheeks area where you have thicker skin. But on the other hand, there is still pain, especially on those areas that you have thinner skin, especially on the forehead. But don't worry, it is still tolerable. And also guys, the reason why I am saying that Banisher 2.0 or Derma stamp is more safer compared to roller versions is that the needles or the bristles of roller versions has uneven angles. And compared to Banisher 2.0 or Derma stamp, it only has one angle, which is straight or vertical. And that's also the reason why doctors are not recommending Derma roller because it has uneven angles. So when you roll over it on your skin, it may or can cause skin damage. So let's be smart on the products that we are using on our skin, and please be careful, especially if you are doing it at home, for us to be safe and to avoid any further damage on our skin. And also, aside from the Banisher 2.0 is safe, it's also easy to use and it's not that time consuming. And now let's discuss the important reminder if you want to also try Banisher 2.0 or Derma stamp at home. So let's start. So please patch test the Banisher or Derma stamp on a small area of your skin before using it. So this is to check if you can tolerate the pain or if you will have allergic reaction or any other reaction on your skin when you do the micro needling. And then next is, this is for personal use only. Do not share with others. And then do not use over a rash, acne, wound, or infection. And then next is, do not use if allergic to metal or gold. Do not apply makeup cosmetics after use until the next morning or at least 8 hours after using the Banisher. We recommend using at night or before you go to bed so you can do your usual makeup routine the next morning. Do not apply exfoliating acids immediately after use, and most especially do not give to young children. Alright, so let's go back in the video. So I'm done with micro needling. So once you're done with micro needling, you can use Banish serum or vitamin C cream. So what I'll be using is the vitamin C cream. It is because now in the Philippines it's summer, and the Banish serum, which is the vitamin C and E serum, the consistency or the texture of this product is oily, and also it's kind of hot on my skin whenever I'm applying Banish serum on my face. So yeah, so that's why I'm choosing vitamin C cream over Banish serum. Alright, so that's it everyone, but before we end the video, please like and share, and if you have questions, suggestions, you can just put in the comment section. And if you want to join me sa aking road to Kinas journey, just click the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell for you to be notified always whenever we have a new video. Alright, so that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Bye. Mwah. Char.